we are going to give you the introduction or demo class from Digital Roy Academy, one of the best digital marketing institute in Bangalore. Okay, we have trained about 4,000 plus students for since 2015. So this is our institute about the Digital Roy Academy is running since 2014. We have trained more than 4,000 plus students from classroom, online and abroad through internet, various field, and also we provide services to the company who needs an example website design, social media marketing, Google Ads, SEO, everything we take care of here. Here in the city, we provide training in the college also. Apart from classroom, we have a center in Rajajinagar, Bangalore. Apart from the our institute, we provide college training also. Just I wanted to make sure that what we do in Bangalore. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. The Master in Digital Marketing Certification Program by Digital Roy Academy. The first step of today's topic is Introduction on Digital Marketing. So the introduction is going to give you the complete update about what digital marketing people do, what is the advantages of learning, what is the scope of digital marketing, who can do, whether I can uh, build my career with digital marketing. Every answer you are going to get from this introduction class.
Okay.
Okay, digital marketing, also called as an internet marketing, online marketing, web marketing, in a different name. In a different name.
Yeah.
Digital
And
marketing is a method of promoting the products, services, or brands by using electronic media. This is very important. The digital marketing activity carried by promoting the methods of promoting the products, services, or brands by using electronic media. What are those electronic media? Any idea?
yeah,
Can you please tell me?
electronic media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn,
Okay, that is
Pinterest,
yeah.
Quora.
By
Yeah,
you by using online
internet.
platforms.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. The digital marketing is the marketing of products or services using digital technologies mainly on the internet. It is a method of marketing which focuses on the internet users through mobiles, tablets, laptops and desktops, smartwatch, etc. Digital marketing is a collective name of marketing activity carried by online as it is opposed to traditional marketing through the print media, newspaper ads, TV ads, magazine, banner
Holdings.
ads.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we used to depending upon offline marketing. When it comes to offline, all the words which I just pronounced, those are coming. Print media, newspaper ads, TV ads, magazines, banner ads, all those comes in the traditional marketing. So now we have better option that is called online marketing. Then when it comes to Digital Roy Academy, we are a team of qualified professionals with passion of digital marketing and trained 4,000 plus students across India since 2015. Our mission to empower the people on the future of digitalization. Our vision is to fortify the digital marketing expanse. We deliver high quality and up to date knowledge from our experienced Google certified trainer with 8 plus years of industry experience. So whenever you are going to learn, we are going to give you, we make sure you that 100% practical training will be provided you to make a perfect. And why digital marketing is important in current situation. The reason digital marketing is taking over traditional marketing channels. So gradually the usage of offline marketing is decreasing and online market usage is increasing. I think you have a very good idea about that why digital marketing is booming. The reason, the difference between offline and online marketing. What is the ability of internet marketing? The ability of internet marketing tools to interact with targeted audience in real time. Can you give me an example? What is the targeting the audience in real time? Hello.
Mm, yeah.
Do you have any idea what is targeting with real time?
No, 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 sir.
Yeah, targeting with real time means an example when it comes to the offline marketing ads. If it is television ads, you are watching the TV at home, then only you can see the ads. Otherwise, the ads are going to broadcast, but you are not going to visible if TV television you are not watching, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Similarly, if you are reading newspapers during that time, you can observe the ads on newspaper. Otherwise, no, right?
Yeah.
But targeting the real-time audience means whenever you go anywhere, you carry most of the cases now people carry their smartphone along with them. Smartphone. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So we can target based on the device what people use because online marketing is completely based on the electronic media which will help us to focus our target only based on the device. An example, smartphone, laptop,
Oh,
desktop,
yeah.
smartwatch, etc. But every device comes with internet accessibility. So it is more easy to target with a real-time audience, whether you are working, whether you are traveling, but you carry your smartphone or laptop if you are using. During working, you will definitely on with your system, right? Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Have any doubt? Do you have any doubts in this?
No, no, no. It's
Clear,
clear.
right? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Fine. Then engagement in any form is what your customer expect to receive when interacting with your brand or business. So like that, we can engage with our customer for any point of time. There is no time frame. Exactly, we should target customers 9 o'clock morning or afternoon or any time. Who can join digital marketing course? Many people have the confusion that can I do this course? My education background is different. I have done engineering, I have done lawyer, LLB, MBA, many confusion they will have. But when it comes to digital marketing, it doesn't matter that which education background you are. You can opt for this course from any education background. This will help
Yeah, yeah,
to
yeah.
uh, career aspirants, working professionals, startup and business owners, any graduates, students, housewives, sales personnel, freelancers, marketing professionals, students, corporate companies, interested people from any education background people opt for this course. There is no boundary, only the marketing professional should do this course. Anybody, because it is not a selling product, it's a process of promoting brand or services through online platforms.
Yes, sir.
Then the advantages of digital marketing. You can target a global audience and regional reach. Either you want to target whole global audience or you want to target a few limited or regional area, you can do it like this too in a different way, global and regional reach. And audience target, you have multiple options by using digital marketing platforms, that is audience targeting. What is that? One, location based target. An example, you can target wise country, state wise, city, area, and pinpoint location where exactly you want to show your ads. That is possible to go with this segregation. And then demographic based target. What is that? An example, age group, age based, 18 to 35, 35 to 45, 25 to 35. Like you can target based on the category. Some products or service suits for only according to the age category. Example, if you want to target the real estate, you cannot target the teenagers. Teenagers are not much interested in the real estate or flats or purchasing homes. Similarly, when you want to promote a new gadgets, mainly you want to target the teenagers because always they want to go with the new gadgets, new
Electronics,
electronic
media,
devices.
media. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Mobiles,
Simi- e-
laptop,
e- exactly. So, yeah,
smartwatches.
elderly people are not much interested in buying electronic devices. So, like that, when you want to target according to their age, their category, their interest, their gender, their income, education, you can target. And then the device based target, you can target based on the device. An example, desktop users you want to target, you can target desktop users. If you want to target laptop users, you can target laptop users, people who use laptop, mobile users, tablet users. Nearly 70% internet users comes from mobile devices. So mainly we want to focus on mobile device. Then laptop and desktop comes. Tablet usage has been reduced. Okay. Hello.
Ah, yes, sir.
Listening to me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then interest-based target and this all these activities will help to maximize the ROI. What is ROI? ROI is return on investment. What is that return on investment? The return on investment is the amount which has been spent for promotional purpose or advertising purpose. Based on that, what returns you are going to get for promoting your business by using online platforms, that is called ROI or return on investment, the return which has got based on the investment. Clear? Then the
Yes, sir.
acquisition rate. The acquisition rate is the price you pay to acquire a new customer dividing the total cost associated with acquisition. Acquisition rate is the price you pay to acquire a new customer dividing the total cost associated with acquisition by total new customers within a specific period of time. The amount total you spend, the total leads you acquire, and within a specific of time, that is called acquisition rate. Then
Okay.
what is the benefits of learning digital marketing? The first thing, it helps all kind of business to grow online. It helps all kind of business to grow online, more cost effective than traditional marketing, delivers conversions, helps to generate better revenues, facilitates interaction with targeted audiences, caters to the mobile consumer, builds brand reputation, provides better ROI for your marketing investments, earns people's trust, entices people to take favorable action, makes you ready for the Internet of Things, ensures business survival online. All these advantages and benefits are there from learning digital marketing course.
Okay.
Clear? Yeah,
Yeah.
next. A small difference versus internet and offline. The marketing is roughly divided into two: traditional marketing and digital marketing. When it comes to the offline marketing or traditional marketing, the radio ads, television ads, billboards, newspapers, magazines, direct mail, brochures, banners, all these comes under offline marketing. Similarly, when it comes to online marketing, the search engine optimizations, Google advertising, content marketing, mobile marketing, e-stores, email marketing, e-commerce stores, social media, video marketing, all these activity for branding and promotional, this is online market. These are the difference which comes in offline and online. And we
Mhm.
have given more update with the traditional marketing is well known as the name applies, thanks to its long history. Every day we see television ads, hear radio commercials, or see newspaper ads. But the fact is that traditional marketing channels will lose market share into internet marketing thanks to the advanced stages of internets. So we have seen that gradually the usage of offline marketing is reducing. And when you go through internet marketing, internet marketing is no longer a foreign word, but still many business owners stay far from understanding the true essence of internet marketing, nor do they know how to use the opportunities that the field has to offer. Too many entrepreneurs still think that internet marketing is limited by banner ads on commercial sites and email spam campaigns. So many people still not aware about that how exactly the internet marketing activity is carried by. So as a digital marketer, we have to make them understand how exactly the digital marketing activity carried by and what is the advantages of promoting through online platforms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In reality, internet marketing is a much more extensive area to start from website structure, content and optimization and end to end with Google Ads and analytics. And advantages of internet marketing is it will cost reduce the cost. It is cost effective. The reason why many businesses have chosen online marketing instead of offline or traditional marketing is reduced cost. Almost you can save 60% of uh, expenses of branding purpose. So when you are
Okay.
spending an example tell 10,000 rupees in the traditional marketing, but here you can spend just 4,000 rupees for the same ads. So that is the difference between online and offline. Okay. And
Okay.
yeah, the reason is reduced cost. Internet marketing offers cost effective, flexible, and better managed budget control. Search engine optimization is free of charge. All that is required is a good web page and knowledge. The cost effective is relatively high compared to newspapers or outdoor. Pay per click is also a great way to save money and keep an eye on costs as payment is based on real clicks your ads get. So, what is PPC? PPC is when you start running
Pay
Google,
per click. Yeah.
yeah, Google Ads. Someone comes through search engine, he or she searches for particular things. During that time, your ad comes. If they click on that particular ad, it is going to be considered as pay per click. For clicks, it will be charged. The service provider will charge for sponsors according to the keyword and trends. The cost of TV ads is enormous and you cannot even tell how many people actually paid attention. Yeah, because they just keep
Oh,
on TV and they will be doing some other work.
yeah. No,
Yeah.
no.
No, TV ads, it is not that easy to measure, but online ads are more easy to measure. Also, there are, you can measure, you will get the real-time results and demographic targeting, long-term exposures. All these internet marketing is easily measurable through analyticals tools like Google Analytics. Unlike ads
Yes.
in newspapers or magazines, this will show you indirect
Google Analytics
impact.
paid service.
Yeah, Google Ads is completely a paid service. If you
How
pay,
much pay?
it is depending upon the trend. An example, according to the nature of service, what service you want to offer. Based
Oh,
on that, the keyword price is going to be decided, because
okay.
it is not the permanent number or price. The price will keep vary per hour, per day, per month, per week. Why? Because if you are running the same service is going to offer to multiple people, they start bidding the keyword price.
Okay. Bidding system. Oh,
Bidding system, exactly. Yeah, if you bid for 100 rupees, someone will come and bid for 110 rupees. Another guy will come and bid for 120 rupees. So according to that, the positions are going to be decided.
okay.
The who is going to pay, the person who is going to pay highest bid, his ads comes on the top. Next, others are coming, like position wise, it comes.
Okay.
Okay. And internet marketing is easily measurable through analytical tool like Google Analytics, unlike ads in newspaper or magazines, because that's not that easy to gauge how many have watched. Just it is going to be published on the newspaper. This will show indirect impact on your business sales, SEO, AdWords, social media, email marketing, give you accurate information about clicks, visits, sales, conversion is easy to measure and you can calculate the exact ROI. Offline marketing is more like essential, sorry, offline marketing is more like estimations and supposition. You cannot tell how many people that heard your commercial on the radio actually came to make the purchase. Yeah, it is not that easy to understand whether the person who has come to purchase through radio ads or any other ads, because you never ask and they don't tell that. How did they get to know about the particular things, right?
Right,
Getting
sir.
it? Yeah.
Yeah.
And then a real-time result. Although internet marketing is a long process, it is possible to see the results right after implementation of a new strategy. If you buy, for example, Google AdWords, you can measure directly the clicks and afterward analyze the impact with Google Analytics. This way, the efficiency of your strategy can be measured and changes in real time implemented if necessary. Compared to, for example, Yellow Pages that is printed once a year, internet marketing offers considerably more opportunities as a website can be updated every minute. Every minute the changes is keep going on. It is variation. There will be a variation. And also the demographic targeting. How can we do compared to offline marketing? Determining your target group is much more precise online. Online sites like Facebook can target your ads directly to a chosen target group and display how many people you reached. Traditional marketing channels allow you to direct ads to some extent, like you can place home appliances ads into the magazine that has a specific target group who are more likely to buy your products, but segmentation is far more the internet marketing opportunities. So this industry allow you, as I explained earlier, that you can target based on the demography, geography. The demography is based on the gender, based on the age, based on the professional, based on education,
Mhm.
as per the service what you are going to offer. And next, the long-term exposure. The average lifespan of traditional marketing campaign is 1 to 4 weeks. Average lifespan of traditional marketing campaign is 1 to 4 weeks. But internet marketing is a continuous process that will bring results that will bring results evenly. If you have reached the first pages of search engines, you can stay visible for potential clients for a long period. Updates are, of course, necessary to hold this. Updates are, of course, necessary to hold these positions and maintain a regular low cost of our strategy. Low cost of your strategy. Content marketing will help you to create and maintain the image of an opinion leader and a professional that will increase your reputation and reliability, that in turn spreads as word of mouth advertising. So when you compare with any offline marketing, the digital marketing is far better. It is cost effective. You can reach any boundary. There is no boundary like you want to target the global audience, particular location. particular metro cities. An example: Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune. Any cities like metro cities or the bigger cities, Kolkata, you have that kind of option. It doesn't matter that you have to target the entire West Bengal to target Kolkata. The Kolkata only can be targeted. The rest of the area can be excluded because if you have some events are going to happen from your company, you want to target only the main city people to come for that seminars or any event. So you want to target particular cities instead of targeting the entire state, because when you want to target unwanted areas, you will have to spend more for that ads. Instead of that, you can target based on the location, based on the city. Clear?
Yes, sir.
A small example for your understanding what would happen in traditional marketing and digital marketing when it comes to the expenses. The cost to reach a 2000 audience during the broadcasting, it will cost you a minimum of 150 US dollar. Similarly, the newspaper ads, it is much more than the broadcasting. It is a 250 US dollar. Then the magazine, it will cost you about 500 US dollar, and the direct mail definitely it would cost 900 US dollar. These all activity which comes as a traditional marketing activity. So similarly, when you want to carry out your marketing activity by online through online platforms, the same audience to reach, it will cost you $50 through search engine optimization or search through search, and $75 through social media networking. So now you can understand which is better. Yeah, what do you say? Which is better now?
Oh,
Traditional or digital?
digital marketing, sir.
Yeah,
It's better.
because it is much cost effective compared to any other traditional marketing platforms. Broadcasting, newspaper, magazine, direct mail, no platform comes near to the online platform, digital. Yeah. Now this is a
Yes,
digital.
$75 charges per month or per day.
It is not per month per day. It is for to reach a 2000 people.
Okay, okay. Reach 2000 people.
Yeah, it is not per month or per day. It is an example you want to show your ads to at least 200 people. According to that, as per this platforms, online and offline, which will be the much better and which will be expensive and which will be cost effective for your better understanding. You want to show it for 2000 people
Okay.
according to that. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then it is digital around the world in April. As per the April, we can see 7.77 billion urbanizations, 55%. This is a total population around the world, the complete world population it is. And among them, the unique mobile users, according to April 2020, this uh, data has been provided by Hootsuite. Hootsuite is one of the top social media analytics team. Okay. Unique mobile phone
Yeah.
users 5.16 billion. The penetration of total mobile users are 66% from total populations, and the total internet users are 4.57 billion. 59% people in the world use internet. Still 41% people are not using it. They will definitely use in the future. Those people are our targeted audience for future. Clear?
Yeah.
And active social media users 3.81 billion, 49% penetration you can see here.
49% only.
Yeah, the total population, among the total population, almost 50% people are using social media. Rest of the people are
Yeah.
yet to use. Those are elderly people, the young kids, they have
Yeah.
not started with their unique mobile. Hence, it is showing 50% people in the world they use social media. And this is global e-commerce spend by category. The total amount spent in consumer e-commerce categories around the world in 2019 in US dollars. For fashion and beauty, you can see that 620 billion US dollar. It is in US dollar. 620 billion US.
US dollar.
The fashion and beauty, it has been spent 620 billion US dollars. And electronic and
As
physical
per as
media, yeah,
456.
yeah, 4.456.9. This spend has happened. This is in US dollar. You should not forget that. And it is in billion. Okay.
Okay.
It is in billion US dollar. It is 1 year transaction through global e-commerce spent by category. The entire world, people who do the online transaction, that has come as a report here. For food and personal care, 168.8 billion US dollar. Furniture and appliances, 316.7 billion US dollar. And toys and hobbies, 383.2 billion US dollar. Travel and
Uh,
accommodation. Yes, tell me.
this measure by Google Analytics.
This based on?
Yeah, measure by digital Google Analytics.
No, this has been measured by Hootsuite. They have collected all the data and it has been published by Hootsuite.
Hootsuite. Okay, your paid service.
Yeah, they provide us like it will be published. We get that. If you go through the Hootsuite, you will
Your
get the
tools.
complete report.
SEO tools.
Ah, Hootsuite is, yeah,
SEO
they have that.
SEO tools. Yeah.
Yes, I think you heard. Yeah,
Okay.
they have provided this data.
Okay. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Again, the global e-commerce growth by category, it has been increased for fashion and beauty 18%. From year to year, it is increasing. Electronics and physical media increased by 18%. Food and personal care increased by 13%. Furnitures and appliances again 19% increase. So you can see gradually all these have been increased 18, 13, 19, 16%. Nothing has been decreased. That means people more attracting toward online transaction and online activity. So the number, the statistics is going to give you the better insight what exactly the people are understanding and what people are attracting toward. Then the global digital growth, the year on year change in essential indicators of digital adoption. Yeah, the total population has been increased 1.1% April 29 to April 2020, that is plus is 82 million, and unique mobile phone users also increased 128 million, that is 2.5%, and internet users also increased by 301 million, 301 million, and active social media users have been increased by 304 million, that is 8.7 percentage. So gradually the internet users are increasing day by day. So that is an advantage for a digital marketer who want to build their career in this industry. So whenever you are looking for digital marketing or online marketing industry, the first thing you need to understand the trend of digital marketing. This is a COVID-19 update, we can call it as, because after COVID effect, people started spending more time with devices. The percentage of internet users aged between 16 to 64 in selected countries who report spending more time using each device in recent weeks. That is smartphone or mobile phone 79%. Here you can understand male and female. The first one we can see that clearly it shows that the female users are more than male users for mobile, and laptop 45%, but both of them are same. Smart TV or media, male candidates are 36%, females are 32, and PC or desktop computers again 26% usage by female candidates, 37 by male candidates. tablet device increased 25%, game console. You can see all these activity after the COVID effect. People started spending more time with these devices, and also people spending more time with
Okay.
devices based on the smartphone, mobile phone 76%, laptop computer 45%, desktop computers 32%, tablet device 22%, smart TV or media streaming device 34%, because they were completely locked into the home. They wanted to do something for their spending time. They were going towards the online platforms like live stream video or any activity they wanted to be engaged, right? Yeah, here you can understand people started engaging with online devices. So smartphone, laptop, desktop, tablet, smart TV, smartwatch, smart speaker, game console. This is after the COVID effect, which made people to get into the home. Hence, they were completely wanted to engage. They started using these devices. Now, the world's most used social platform is Facebook, 2.5 billion 498, and YouTube 2 billion, WhatsApp 2 billion, Yahoo Messenger 13 billion, WeChat 1.165, Instagram 1 billion. So you can see all the activity what people are doing by this. The share of web traffic by device, each device share of total web pages served to web browser in December 2019. Mobile phones 53.3%, December 2019 versus December 2018 plus 8.6%. So you can see here mobile phone usage increased, laptop desktop usage decreased. This report may be little vary because before COVID update it was published. Now there is a slight changes can be seen. Why I am saying, because when it comes to tablet or computers, the usage has been reduced to 27%. But now again people started using due to the lockdown. They wanted to be at home, hence they started using the tablet also. But in next report there will be a slight difference in this. Apart from that, rest of thing will remain same. And this is again coming back to the our institute, what kind of training we provide. We provide 100% practical training how online marketing expert do in real time. Best rating by Google, Facebook, Just Trial, 88% placement rates by Digital Roy. Learn by working on real time projects. Get 50 plus tools and softwares while working. 1 year student support. Get certified by Google and Academy, Microsoft, HubSpot, Facebook Blueprint, etc. SEMrush. You get certification from various organizations. You will have to attend online exams. The exams are going to be conducted through online and for classroom also. Both we have the options, and the best learning environment which will help our students to make sure that what they exactly want to learn, what is their goal to achieve in their career. And the course we have 65 modules. And achieving pride in it's our promise. We deliver high quality up to date knowledge from our experienced Google certified trainers. We committed to provide 100% practical oriented course which is going to be offered by us. It will be most of the part training will be practical. The modules are designed to teach students 100% practical training with best techniques, methodologies, strategies of online marketing expert do in real time. And the certifications on Google AdSense, Google Analytics, Master in Digital Marketing, SEO certification, Facebook Blueprint, HubSpot certification, SEMrush, Microsoft Ads certification. So all the certifications are going to be offered, but the students has to attend the exam and provided by the same organizations.
Okay.
Yeah, and the career opportunities when you learn advanced digital marketing course, the various opportunities are there in this industry. You can become digital marketing executive, digital marketing analyst, Google Ads specialist, SEO executive, social media analyst, SEO analyst, content writer, social media executive, blogger, affiliate marketing, Google Ads specialist, anything can be done. And also you can become CMS developer, web developer with WordPress. So various options are there by learning this one advanced digital marketing course, which comes with market master in digital marketing program. Next, what students can do after the course. Students have various options after learning this course. The professionals can work in MNC and startups. Freelancer work from home by getting freelancing projects through Upwork, Fiverr, T-Portal, Freelancer, Relance. All these platforms will help you to get the projects once you prove that you are really skilled with what's their requirement. According to that, you will have to update your profile with their platforms. Then the affiliate marketer. Become an affiliate partner with top companies across the globe worldwide and get a very good commission on every sales. An example, you can promote the Amazon product through your blogs. When the product gets sold, you will get paid certain percentage of commission based on the product. So according to that, you can earn money by affiliate marketing. Then you can become a blogger and content writer. Also, you can activate Google AdSense on your blog page. The Google AdSense activation. Entrepreneurship means you want to be a business owners. If you want to be a business owners, you can start with online business. So you have multiple ideas in your business. The difference between online and offline business needs more expense. So you will have to, are you, my voice is clear?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so to start business, you will have to have more capital to start any business because the rent, advance, expense, interior, you will have to spend more money for that, right?
Right.
Lakhs together, you'll have to invest. The capital is more important. But when it comes to online business, you don't have to spend too much money for that business. The main thing is you need to have the online website and social media accounts. With that, what kind of products you want to sell, what kind of services you want to offer, you can start with that. The mainly you can understand the e-commerce stores. Have you ever purchased any products or anything through Flipkart?
Yes.
Yeah, Flipkart provides the services what product you have purchased, but it is not directly from Flipkart. Flipkart got listed many vendors with them. The vendors will deliver that. Similarly, here also like that. So you can start any business with little budget. That is called an entrepreneurship. A couple of students' photos can be seen here. So these are the
With package.
package varies because some people, I mean, started as a fresher, some people more gone with experience. According to that, the package will vary because the package starts with 2.4 to 3.25. It differs because
As
it
a
is,
freshers.
yeah, freshers would get about 2.4, 2.2. Most of our students got like that range.
And three
Experience
to 5 year experience, 3 to 5 year
3 to
experience.
5 years in experience in which field are you talking? Particularly digital marketing or any other your
Other,
profession?
other.
See, it differs according to the communication what you are going to communicate with the HR. As per that, this is going to be decided. And the company which you are going to join, the company which you are going to join, because we can't expect the same from startup to MNC, right? There will be slight difference in that. It
Okay.
is clear, right?
Okay. And 3 to 5 year experience MP
3 to 5 years experience.
in same field, SEO and digital marketing.
Yeah, in the particular field experience, you can expect better, more than 5 6 lakhs or more than that. That too, depending upon the company, which company you are going for. So
Okay.
all the companies are not equal, right? The
Yeah.
big company, IBM, Wipro, Infosys, Amazons are different. The startups are different. in the role which you are going to join. That is also matters whether you are going to join as a manager, assistant manager, project manager, team leader. It matters on that because there is a difference between entry level, operating level, just analyst, or you are working as a manager. It matters a lot because we can't compare the salary with manager to entry level. There will be a difference in that. According to the position, the salary is going to be given 30% hike on that.
Okay.